Yo guys, we are back again. I think I have not been able to make videos for over a month now. It's not because I don't want to make videos, or maybe some of my audience or my followers or my fans are not willing to see my videos, but because in every areas of specialization there has to be a time where we want to take a break. Yeah, we want to take a break, try to strategize, try to evaluate your efforts and see if there is any lapses, or maybe if there is any addition, subtraction, or if there is any way we can even bring up a simultaneous equation trying to make everyone understand how trading work. Alright, I want to make a quick one concerning how individuals, how a lot of persons go into trading. Take for example, you are trying to travel to the United Kingdom and you haven't been there before. So what are you going there to do? Is the number one, is the first question you have to ask yourself. And then secondly is, who am I going there with? And then thirdly is, okay, what if I'm there? Who should I be able to, or who is going to be the roadmap for me to be able to achieve my aim, or achieve the reason why I am traveling to the UK? So that applies to trading as well. All these actually bounce back to you having a right mentorship. If you are coming into this space with the aim of doing it alone, I have been there. I have been trading for more than 3 years now. I have seen a lot of ups and downs. Trading is based on experience, not based on your capital, not based on your portfolio, not based on how good your strategy is. It is based on how fast you are able to bounce back from some experience that you've encountered in the market. So what am I trying to say in essence? Whatever you're doing in the trading space, make sure that you have someone who is giving you this roadmap. I made mention of how you're going to the UK, and this roadmap is your mentor, right? Your own mentor should be able to guide you on everything you are to do. He has been in the game for a very long time, and so he is supposed to guide you. He is supposed to tell you, okay, do this, don't do this, do this, don't do this, right? I used to emphasize more on having a good mentor, because when I started trading, I had mentors, but at some point, your mentors are not going to be there for you for lifetime. So, what then happened if your mentor should leave you today? Your experience with them should be able to tell, okay, they are not with me currently, so what should I be doing that they've taught me lately during the course of my mentorship? So these are some of the things that most beginners, most traders don't put in place. They just hop into the market with the aim of making profits, then the market's taken from them. They take from the market, but who is now going to tell you about how you can compound? There are so many things I wouldn't want to say here. Who is now going to tell you how to compound, how to deal with the emotional aspects? Your mentor is not going to tell you everything. Your psychology is usually something you have to deal with your own self. So if your mentor should be able to tell you, that, okay, I passed through such phase and this is what I did to be able to overcome such, then you should be able to replicate such, and also to give a very clear and honest result. That is when profitability comes in, when you start seeing yourself as a profitable trader, right? So I'm going to be doing videos constantly, putting them, dropping them, and I believe some of these videos are going to help a lot of traders. I am not chasing clout. I am not doing that because into the space, but I am doing it based on my experience, what I've experienced, what I've encountered in the market, that I wouldn't want anybody or any trader who is coming into the market to actually see the same thing. I hope this video helped you. Subscribe, like, and it doesn't take anything. Just subscribe, press that button, save it, share it. People are willing to listen to the video and also pick a very good vital information on this video. Thank you.